Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's request video, I'm going to be drawing Asta from Black Clover, and this was a request from ANM22 over on the channel. Thanks so much for the request, I've really enjoyed drawing this character. As always, I freehand the lines in to start with. I use a Caran d'Ache pencil, it's a 2H pencil, and this is a very fine, very light pencil, and I use it very, very lightly on the page, just so that I can get rid of any mistakes. I then use a Faber-Castell Pitt pen. This is the pen that you can see me using at the moment. This is a permanent marker, very fine line, and it allows me to get some great details, particularly in hair areas and very small detailed areas. I then used a combination of Winsor & Newton and Copic markers. These are alcohol-based markers which allow you to blend the colours, certainly blend the colours from the same families of colours, so they're really, really fantastic to work with for cartoon work, manga, anime. A lot of the Marvel superheroes that I've been using really start to stand out, and it gives you almost a printed look rather than a felt tip look. You can layer the pen so that you get a lovely smooth coverage, and I would highly recommend using them. They're quite expensive. You're looking around about the £2.50 mark per pen, but definitely well worth the investment. I used a royal blue Winsor & Newton for the clothed area of the character, and then I used a cool grey 7 and a black for the headband. For the hair, I'm using a cool grey 5, and I use a cool grey 7 for some of the darker areas. In the skin area around the hands and the face, I used a milky white. And then I went over this with a little bit of a cadmium yellow, just to bring out a slightly different tone. All in all, this drawing took me about 2 hours. I'm really happy with how it turned out, so I hope you're enjoying this video, ANM22. I hope it's what you asked for and it's the character that you wanted. I hope you guys would consider subscribing to my channel. I'm really enjoying doing these requests at the moment, so if you've got any requests for me, then please don't hesitate. Leave them down below. Don't forget to connect with me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links to all of my social media are down below. I'm having so much fun with this channel, guys. Let me know how you want the channel to develop. I'm going to be doing some live drawing sessions coming up pretty soon, so I hope you'll get involved with those. Thank you so much for subscribing, sharing, liking. All of these signal YouTube and say that actually you're liking my content, you're liking the channel, and it just helps to improve my channel. I'm really happy with how things are going so far. My channel's showing some great growth, and I'm learning so much. These characters you're asking me to draw are pushing me so much. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.